Have you ever wondered how to get rich quick? Does the thought of financial freedom, luxury holidays, and a worry-free lifestyle keep you awake at night? If so, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll delve into the tantalizing world of rapid wealth accumulation and break it down into easy, digestible steps. Step 1. Shift your mindset. The first and arguably most crucial step is to change how you view money. The wealthy don't see money as a scarce resource, but rather abundant one. They understand that money is not the end goal, but a tool to reach that goal. So start viewing money differently, and you'll start making different decisions. If you found this step helpful and want to continue learning about financial success, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. Let's embark on this journey to wealth together. Step 2. Leverage your skills. Everyone has a unique skill or talent that they can monetize. It could be anything from graphic design, coding, writing, or even a knack for social media marketing. Identify your strongest skills and find ways to leverage them for financial gain. Step 3. Invest wisely. The phrase "make your money work for you" rings true here. Consider investing in stocks, real estate, or even starting your own business. Remember, the key is not just to save, but to grow your money. Step 4. Diversify your income. Don't rely solely on one source of income. Create multiple income streams. This could include side gigs, passive income from investments, or even starting a small online business. Step 5. Surround yourself with successful people. It's often said that you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So make sure you're surrounding yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you, and push you to be better. Step 6. Never stop learning. The most successful people in the world are those who are constantly learning and adapting. Always seek knowledge and strive to improve yourself. To summarize, getting rich quick isn't about a magic formula or a secret trick. It's about shifting your mindset towards wealth, leveraging your skills, investing wisely, diversifying your income, surrounding yourself with successful people, and never stopping learning. Remember, the journey to wealth is not a sprint, but a marathon. It requires patience, dedication, and a whole lot of hard work. But with these steps in mind, you are well on your way to financial freedom. So go out there, chase your dreams, and build the life you've always wanted. If you found this video helpful and want to delve deeper into the world of rapid wealth accumulation, remember to hit that subscribe button. We regularly upload videos packed full of tips, tricks, and advice on how to build your wealth. Don't miss out on these golden opportunities to learn more. Subscribe now and join us on this journey to financial freedom.